the 200-hour Qi Gong teacher training program. This program has 3 levels and includes 8 modules that will be taught, mostly live, over 12 months. Level 1, the fundamentals of embodied awareness. Module 1, Qi Gong for relaxation, flexibility, and inner alignment. Module 2, cultivating Qi awareness and sensitivity. Module 3, seated Qi Gong, breathwork, and Daoist meditation. Level 2, in Module 4, you will learn the foundations of the famous Shaolin I Ching Ching. Module 5, traditional forms for contemporary teacher. Level 3, internal refinement. In Module 6, you will learn standing meditation and an introductory Negong practice. Module 7, silk reeling and whole body connection. Module 8, 5 animal Qigong for agility and stress relief. I hope you feel inspired to learn, practice, and possibly even teach Qigong.